Have you ever opened your bank account and instead of feeling stressed, you actually smiled? Most people think you need $1 million to feel wealthy, but the truth is, there's a much smaller number that completely changes your relationship with money, and that number is $20,000. 1. Why 20K is powerful. When most people live paycheck to paycheck, their brain is stuck in survival mode. Every decision feels stressful. Should I buy this coffee? Can I afford groceries this week? What happens if something breaks? Your brain isn't thinking about growing money. It's just trying to survive the next bill. But when you finally save $20,000, something powerful happens. You suddenly have breathing room. Unexpected expenses stop feeling like disasters. A car repair, annoying but manageable. Laptop breaks, no panic. That financial cushion changes how you think. You stop asking, how do I survive? And start asking, how do I grow? 2. The money momentum. Here's where things get interesting. Imagine you save $1,000 a month and invest it with an 8% return. Your first $20,000 might take around 19 months to reach. It feels slow, frustrating, like pushing a heavy rock uphill. But once you hit that milestone, your money starts helping you. Now that $20,000 is generating returns on its own, so the next $20,000 comes faster. And the next one comes even faster. That's the magic of compound growth. At first, you work for money. Eventually, money starts working for you. Part 3. The confidence shift. But the biggest change isn't mathematical, it's psychological. With 20K saved, you gain something incredibly powerful: options. You can leave a toxic job, take career risks, invest in opportunities. You're no longer desperate for the next paycheck. And that confidence changes everything. People who aren't desperate often end up making better financial decisions. Now, $20,000 won't make you rich overnight, but it creates something far more important: momentum. It's the moment when you stop simply surviving and start building real wealth. So if you're starting from zero, focus on one mission: reach that first $20,000. Because once you get there, everything changes.